Rishikesh, what can I say about that? As soon as I got here, I could just tell the energy was amazing. You could feel it like straight away. It's like no other town that I've seen before. There's cows and monkeys in the streets, and all the people are friendly, and it's just an all-around nice vibe. It's a smallish town with the Gangas going through the middle of it, with a beautiful landscape with the mountains. 1 month has flew by. I wish it could have gone even longer.
Before I came here, I dived, and I've never done yoga before, and I didn't know that how much yoga actually would help with like breathing and stuff like that, and I think actually will improve my diving as well. When I came here, like I couldn't touch my feet or anything like that, and you kind of feel like the worst one in the class. But the thing is about yoga, which I really like, is that it's not a competition with everyone. It's only about yourself and your own improvement, which I really like.
So I came here complete beginner for yoga. I'd only done maybe like a handful of classes. Didn't know the difference between Vinyasa or Ashtanga, so I knew I was coming straight into the deep end here. I was a little bit nervous, but there was no reason for me to be nervous. All the teachers here are so supportive. They all know their stuff, like 100%. Through the anatomy, through philosophy, through meditation, the alignment classes, Vinyasa flow, Ashtanga, they really supported me throughout.
What I really like about having Vinyasa in the morning is that it really gives you an energy boost for the rest of the day. And like I could definitely feel a difference between the days where we didn't do Vinyasa in the morning and the days where we did. It's been amazing, and like our teacher in Vinyasa, great guy. He's so good, and he really like gives us a challenge every time.
I was doing headstands that I never could do before, doing the splits kind of thing. Like I was putting my bodies in positions that I've never ever done before, and I'm a complete beginner. Now I feel really comfortable in my yoga practice. The meditation as well. I found myself back home really struggling to try meditation. I had all these thoughts like going through my head, as you do in everyday life, thought after thought after thought, but the teachers here, they really help you get a healthy mindset. We did things like meditating by a flame, staring into a flame.
To sum this like school up, it's a really great school, and they're not gonna let you off easy. The teachers are strict, but in a really nice way. You can definitely feel that you've been doing exercise when you're here, which is really nice. Besides that, like the food is amazing. Like I love the food here. So like in general, to like sum this entire experience up with the school, it's been great.
I came here because I wanted to have a different form of fitness in the body and the mind. So I like to go to the gym previously, but I also wanted to improve my flexibility and my strength. So I'm going to combine the two when I leave the school now. I'm going to keep going to classes from different teachers just to improve my skills, give me even more confidence, and then hopefully one day I can either travel the world, but I'll always have the Rishikesh to thank them to give me the confidence and the base skills to teach yoga around the world.